This is the simplest and the ultimate ready-to-wear size chart guide. Okay, now that you understand the kind of dresses you want to make, let's say you want to start making boo trousers for a start as a ready-to-wear vendor or as a made-to-order vendor. Okay, you want to start making boo trousers. Now, this is the simplest and the ultimate ready-to-wear size chart guide. Go on Instagram or on TikTok, majorly on Instagram. Go and follow brands that are doing exactly what you are doing or what you want to do. About three, four, five of them. Follow them. Go to where they upload their size charts. Download those size charts and then study them very well. Out of five of them, like three will be similar. Study them very well, and then you can do a comparison. Once you do a comparison, you cannot divide. Let's say you downloaded size chart A for Mary's closet. These names are just something I'm just calling out of my brain, please. I'm not in particular to any brand, all right? So let's say you downloaded this chart from Mary's closet, and then you downloaded this chart from Emeka Stitches, okay? And then you downloaded another one from Chukwu Amaka Clothings. Now, let's say you downloaded three. Now you can get all these three together. Their size 8, Mary's Closet size 8, Chukwu Amaka Stitches size 8, and then Emeka Stitches size 8. For the waist, you had it all up together. For the waist, add the waist together. Maybe the waist for R is 28, this is 27.5, and then for Chukwemeka Stitches is 26.5. You have those three values together, and then you divide it by 3. Then you can use that as your own waist for your size 8. Are you getting it? I'll go over it again. So let's say the size 8 for Mary's closet is 28 inches for the waist. Then the size 8 for Chukwemeka stitches is 27.5. Like I said, all these names are just what I coined out from my brain because of this video, okay? They are not in particular related to any brand. Now, Chukwemeka stitches is 27.5, and then for Emeka stitches is 26. 4 size 8 waist. Then you have those three values together. You divide it by 3. That will be your own waist for your size 8. Do the same thing for their hips, okay? The hip for Mary's closet, for Chukwemeka's stitches, and Emeka's clothing. You divide it together, divide it by 3, and then that will be your own hip. Say for instance, you're working with like 4 brands or 4 size charts. Do the same thing, divide it by 4. That is one of the simplest way to create your own ready to wear. Okay, it's very, very simple. Just go online, go to Instagram, go and download size charts of brands that are actually doing what you want to do. Size chart that has your type of customer, that has your type of target audience. Get their size chart. You always see it pinned on their page. It will be somewhere on their page or even on their website. Download it and then you study it and then you do what I explained earlier. Then you can use that to create your own size chart, at least for a start. So I have a free size chart guide. Okay, I have a free size chart template that you can download. I've been able to, put some of few things together. The link to that size chart will be in the pinned comment below. And if you want something that is very tailored, no guesswork that you can use, lots of fashion brands have been downloading this size chart. Is a paid one. Downloading this size chart. There, I created size chart for trousers, for all sizes, for men, for women, and even for children. I even included crotch levels, crotch sizes for different um, 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 sizes and age range. So the link to that paid size chart will be in the pinned section in the comments. All right. If you really want me to hold you by the hands, you don't know how to start your ready to wear business or your fashion business, you don't know how to start, you're confused. You think, oh, because I'm at home, I don't have any customer, then I can't start, or you're just scared because you've seen other fashion brands who are doing very well on social media or even those in your area and you're scared about it and you don't even know how to start. So don't worry, this is your last bus stop. So just send a DM to the business in the comment section. Okay, I always have we can have a one-on-one clarity session where I will put you through the simple strategies that you can start with and you will be on your way to success. Trust me, a lot of fashion brands have been signing up for these and they have been taking baby steps towards their success. So I'll be waiting for you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, to share and to subscribe. Please, subscription, it is very, very important for me because it helps this channel to grow and also help the YouTube to, keep pushing these videos to people that really needs it. So I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.